Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how I replaced the original 500 GB SSD on my late 2013 15-inch MacBook Pro. I needed more storage, so I got this 4TB Adata XPG S70 blade. This is a PCIe Gen 4 M.2 SSD. I disconnected the battery connector first, and then I removed the drive. The adapter needed is the Sintech NGFF M.2 NVMe for MacBook Pro late 2013-2015. Before I installed the drive, I formatted as APFS using an M.2 NVMe to USB adapter, just to make sure it will be recognized by the computer. After that, I installed the latest macOS Sonoma through the OpenCore Legacy Patcher. And now I have enough storage on my laptop. Thank you for watching.